Welcome back to our series on English grammar. Today, we're going to learn about past participles of irregular verbs, specifically Part 3. We'll focus on three important verbs. Eat becomes eaten, speak becomes spoken, and break becomes broken. These verbs follow a special pattern that makes them easier to remember once you understand the rule. All the verbs we're learning today follow a similar pattern. They all add the letters en at the end to form the past participle. This is a very helpful pattern because once you recognize it, you can apply it to many different verbs. The en ending is one of the most common patterns for irregular past participles in English. Let's start with our first verb, eat. The base form is eat and the past participle is eaten. We use this with the helping verb have or has. For example, I have eaten breakfast. This means you finished eating breakfast at some point before now. Another example, she has eaten all the cookies. This means she finished all the cookies and now they're gone. Our second verb is speak. The base form is speak and the past participle is spoken. Again, we use this with have or has. For example, he has spoken to the manager. This means the conversation with the manager already happened. Another example, they have spoken English for years. This means they've been speaking English for a long time and continue to do so. Now let's look at break. The base form is break and the past participle is broken. We use it the same way with have or has. For example, the window has broken. This means the window is now in pieces. Another example, my phone has been broken for days. This means the phone stopped working several days ago and is still not working. There are many more verbs that follow this same en pattern. Choose becomes chosen. Steal becomes stolen. Freeze becomes frozen. Wake becomes woken. All of these verbs take the en ending to form their past participles. The more you practice these, the easier they become to remember and use correctly in your sentences. Let's look at some common mistakes students make with these verbs. Wrong, I have ate breakfast. Correct, I have eaten breakfast. Remember, after have or has, you must use the past participle, not the past tense. Wrong, she has spoke to him. Correct, she has spoken to him. Wrong, it has broke down. Correct, it has broken down. Always use the en form after have or has. Remember the key rule, all these verbs end in en when forming the past participle. You must use them with the helping verbs have or has. The four main verbs we learned today are eaten, spoken, broken, and chosen. Practice using these in your own sentences every day. The more you practice, the more natural they will feel. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.